guys, guess what day it is? It's Tuesday. Tuesday is my favorite day of the week, and you all know why. Because I get to spend it with my furry friends. And I want you guys to meet Lady. Lady, sit down first. Look at Lady. Lady is my gorgeous lab, and she's like my belly. You all see my belly on my Facebook pages, my lovely girl. She's a lab. All right, sit down. She's 4 years old. And now, give me a paw. Sit down first. Sit. Give me your paw. No, she's like, just give me the treat. Just give me the treat, Darth. I will give you the treat. So you know what? Lady and I really share something in common. Lady has, you're seeing she looks a little chunky, but she's really not because she has a thyroid issue just like I do. So that's why Lady and I bonded. She likes food as much as I do, right, Lady? Yes. You're the little food girl. Anyway, guys, she is a sweetheart, and you know, lads, they're just big lumps of love. So if you would be so kind to share her, or maybe you would like to have Lady in your home, you can contact the Women's Humane Society here in Bensalem. I'll post all the information below. Thank you for your shares. Thank you for your likes. And let's help get Lady a new lovely home. Look at my Lady.